What's up everyone, in this video I'll show you how to manage cases in Salesforce. So to do so, simply go to your Salesforce account here, go to your settings and then open advanced setup. And from here you want to search for object manager. Okay, and then click on object manager. And then you want to select case or cases here. You'll see it here as an object, the case object. So click on it. And here you will get all the cases. Now, to edit, you can edit here the fields. So if I go to fields and relationships, I can customize the fields right here. So this is the field name. I can add new field if I want to. Selecting the type of the field, so email, URL, date, text, text area, time, or anything. Let's say text, new, next, sorry. And the field label, let's say code, for example. Let's say the field name is code, the maximum number, maximum length, let's leave it as it is, or let's say, for example, 10. Okay, and now next, and continue the setup to create the field. Now here in the case, I can view the case page layout, I can view the case close page layout, I can view the record types, and so much more.